Join me around my home today as we complete some homemaking tasks and also begin to nest for baby who will be coming very shortly. Whether you are a new homemaker like myself or a seasoned one, the beauty of homemaking is that it's an art that can constantly be improved upon, developed, and cultivated over time. This is one of the many reasons I find joy in homemaking. Growth is always possible, it's flexible, there is always opportunities to improve, yet we can also just live in the busy seasons of life with the skills we've acquired over time to carry us through. If you had asked me a couple years ago whether I would learn how to quilt or make bread, I would have wondered where I would find the time in my busy schedule. I would have struggled to fit anything else on top of my plate. Maybe you work full-time outside the home. Maybe you have littles running around. Maybe you're very involved in your church and find it hard to incorporate hobbies or new skills into your regular routines. Personally, I found that giving up social media was the easiest way to grow my homemaking skills. If you find yourself in this boat like I did, I would challenge you with this one question. Are you currently on social media? Even good uses of information and solid boundaries can still take up our time. I can't tell you how many small pockets of time opened when I didn't have apps to scroll anymore. Don't get me wrong, I still love and use YouTube and occasionally Pinterest, but as far as Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platforms, I let them all go about a year ago, and now I'm so happy that I did. Instead of scrolling and simply getting inspiration from others, I began using those small pockets of time to learn new skills. I was able to breathe from the constant voices online and actually create things I truly enjoy without other people's influences. Not only did leaving social media give me more time and help my creativity, it also positively impacted my mental health, which in turn has also helped me grow as a homemaker. I could talk more on this topic, so if you have specific questions you'd like me to answer, I'd love it if you'd leave them in the comments down below. hope this video encourages you and is the little nudge you may need to free up some time and energy and actually make progress on some of those goals you have.